Hello everyone! At last the grand finale of Mirchi Summer Star 2024 has finished and I'm lucky enough to be in the top 5. And congratulations to all the other winners, and this is another achievement for me. Watch the highlight.
Now let's invite chess number 2. Chess number 2, please. Audience, our finalists are coming. Come on.
Hello everyone. I am a toy. I am also a puzzle that's very hard to solve. My own inventor couldn't solve me for months. My name is Izaan and I'm 9 years old. I'm pretty sure that everyone recognizes this. Do you know what it is? Yes, a Rubik's Cube. Many of you have played with a Rubik's Cube often, but I'm also guessing that not quite many of you were able to solve it. So today I'm excited to share with you my passion to create these minor toys into a visual masterpiece. I transform hundreds of cubes into a vibrant art. I'm also excited to present to you the upcoming live show on the left side of the stage. Thank you for being here.
Thank you, chess number 2. Others. 500 Rubik's Cube, and we have Mr. Bean with us. Can you all move aside? The judges want to see it. Is there something you want to tell the judges?
I made an image of Mr. Bean using 500 Rubik's Cubes. So, I made multiple images like this at my home and in different places. So, I made Ronaldo and Amitabh Bachchan and many people like that. Thank you.
Check. Meanwhile, Abhi, don't you think we need a picture with Mr. Bean?
Yes, we need a picture with Mr. Bean.
The creator of Mr. Bean.